What's the meaning of apnea? Apnea. Apnea.
Apnea. Apnea. Apnea refers to the temporary cessation of breathing, typically during sleep. This condition can result in a variety of negative consequences, including disrupted sleep patterns, daytime drowsiness, and a decreased quality of life. In severe cases, apnea can also lead to more serious health issues such as high blood pressure, heart disease, and stroke. Treatment for apnea usually involves lifestyle changes such as weight loss and quitting smoking, as well as medical interventions such as the use of a continuous positive airway pressure (CPAP) device or surgery.